We were talking about the hand concept, in which I say that the thumb is the capital. Okay, so now understand what is capital and what is drawing. But before that, see, let me explain with the help of an example. This is your home, this is you, this is your home, and this is your business. For example, you have business of manufacturing shirts, and here is your factory where you are manufacturing shirts. This is your office place. Okay, now this is you are known as proprietor of the business or owner of the business because you are running the business. Now you might think that you are the same person at home and you are the same person at office, but now remember, this is accounts. You are your home and your business are two separate distinct entity. Home for you at sitting at home is separate, for you doing a business is separate. So home is separate and business is separate. Now when from your home, say you want to run a business, so you will need capital or money or money's worth. What is it? That you will need money to buy goods, to buy raw materials. You will need money to buy machinery, tools, then computers and printers, for so many things for which business is running. So from home you take that amount and put it in the business. And say for example, one laptop was also idle, so from home you took it and invested it in your business. So whatever you take from home and you put it in your business, that is known as capital. It can be both money and money's worth. That is, laptop taken to invest in business is also money's worth. So whatever taken from home and invested in business is your capital. Now I told you that, for example, you as proprietor are running a shirt making factory. So shirt making factory is here, and say there was a birthday party at your home. So what you did, you took these shirts to give as return gifts in the birthday party. So from business you took it back to home. So if you take money from business to home, or if you take money's worth, that is shirt to give as return gifts, from business to home, that is known as drawing. So now what is capital? Capital is the amount which the proprietor or owner has invested in the firm. Capital is also known as owner's equity or net worth. Owner's equity or net worth, you have to remember the name, and you have to also remember the formula. Capital is equal to assets minus liabilities. We will discuss what is assets and liabilities. So for now, whatever you invest in your business from your house, you are known as the proprietor of the business. That is known as capital, and capital is equal to assets minus liability. I am talking about this thumb, that is capital. Now, nature of capital. I told you that for every transaction there has to be one debit and one credit. So remember that the nature of transaction, whenever in business capital will come, whenever capital will increase, it has to be credit. And this is no rule, but then to learn, you remember it like this, that C for capital and C for credit. So capital has to be credit always whenever it is increasing in the business. Now what is drawing? Withdrawal. Keyword is withdrawal. Withdrawal by a proprietor in cash or in kind. So from business you are taking at home, that is called as withdrawal, either cash or in kind. That is, in example, you were taking shirts. So withdrawal by a proprietor in cash or in kind for personal purpose, that is खुद के personal purpose के लिए, is known as drawing. Nature of drawing, debit, and to remember it, D for drawing and D for debit.